Okay, here's second map. You see it took 5 minutes and 31 seconds to play it, and it started at 4:42, so that ends at 4:47 and a half. Let's call it 48. Next map, the dude had the wrong person in, and then finally we get them both in there at 4:55. We just started just to show that they delayed that long. I'll start it up to show you. So they delayed like 7 minutes. And there's everybody's name. We end it before 30 seconds. We just got them in here just to show the proof. And that's game. Host ends game 2-0.